only show in India dedicated to the tea and coffee sectors. You will come across a lot of food and beverages shows where tea and coffee are a small percentage of the participants. But here the entire focus is on tea and coffee. The logic behind organizing a show like this, which is only on the tea and coffee sectors, is that India is the second largest producer of tea in the world, and it is also the second largest consumer of tea in the world. Coffee too, it exports a lot, and the coffee consumption in the last few years has been on the upswing. The coffee culture in India is increasing. Not only coffee, tea chains are also on the increase. The branded tea market in India is expected to go up to 6,000 crores. This is going to be a windfall not only for tea and coffee companies in India, but for companies across the world. For global companies, India represents a market of 1 billion people, which is unsurpassed, which is not available anywhere in the world. In the future, we will see a scenario where the leading chains from the world will be in India, and Indian chains will be present across the world. The future for the tea and coffee sector is extremely bright because branded tea is getting favor, ready to drink tea is finding more acceptance, and newer categories of tea like herbal tea, which has health properties, is also getting a lot of attention from the consumers. Coffee is again an energy booster and finds very good appeal with the younger generation. India has a large young population. They are having a lifestyle which is slightly similar to the Western civilization. They have disposable income and they are very fast moving and progressive. All this gives a very good future to the tea and coffee sectors, and the World Tea and Coffee Expo will continue to contribute to the growth of the tea and coffee sectors in India and abroad.
Please tell us about your company.
Sentinel Exhibitions Asia Private Limited is a leading organizer of trade shows and business conferences. It has managed a number of events for a number of clients which are national and international. The company specializes in business conferences, business events, trade events and trade shows, not only in India but also abroad. Going further, Sentinel Exhibitions Asia looks at expanding its wings outside India into